Hi, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the brand new update on NPXS or Pundi X. It's going very good and surged more than 90% in few days. This is my previous article, which I have shown in my previous video. Let's see what we have the developments in the price action of NPXS or Pundi X. Previously, we have seen in December 2019, it was the MACD or moving average convergence divergence was turning weak bearish from strong bearish. This was a clear indication that the momentum or the trend is being changed from bearish to bullish, and the RSI was in oversold zone in December 2019. And if we see the chop zone, then we can see that in December 2019, the bearish trend was chopped and the trend was changed from strong bearish to weak bearish. Now, if we see here on the live chart, this is the same week chart, then we can see the MACD is turned strong bullish now. At that time, it was turned from strong bearish to weak bearish, and now it is turned strong bullish. And we have also received a bull cross from the moving averages of moving average convergence divergence indicators, the MACD, and the RSI is turned bullish and entered in the body of the RSI. At this time, the value of the RSI is 35.94. You can see the value here when I will place my mouse or cursor here. Then you can see that the value is 35.94. And the balance of power is showing that the trend is uh, strong bullish. It's changed to strong bullish. The balance of power is showing. And so far, the momentum is not turned strong bullish. If we see the momentum indicator, then it is getting squeezed at since October 2019, it was strong bearish. And since October, after the mid of October 2019, it was turning weak bearish from strong bearish and getting squeezed, and now it is getting quite squeezed. And next bar maybe appeared a strong bullish, like in green, that will be appeared in green color, and that will be the first ever green bullish bar in the history of NPXS as per Bittrex chart in NPXS with US dollar pair. And if we see the Bollinger Band and the exponential moving averages, then we can see that we have received a bull cross between EMA 10. This blue one is exponential moving average 10, and that this red one is the exponential moving average 20. So there, these moving averages has formed a bull cross. Even this bull cross is reflected up to 2-day chart. We can see that we have received a bull cross up to 2-day chart, and the Bollinger Band is the mouth of the Bollinger Band is expanding, and the price action is stick with the mouth of the Bollinger Band, the upper band, and it is moving up, and Bollinger Band is also moving up and showing that the trend is getting changed on this day chart, even up to 2-day chart. But once it will be uh, clearly moved up, like it was clearly an obvious manner, it was moving down and showing that this is a downtrend. Once it will be turned up clearly in obvious manner, then we will have a clear indication that the trend is changed on day chart, and now we are in uptrend. But so far, the exponential moving averages are showing that the trend has been changed because we have received a clear bull cross between these two moving averages after a long time period. It was turned bearish. You can see here in June 2019, we have received a death cross or bear cross, and after June 2019, first time we have received a bull cross or golden cross between these two moving averages of exponential moving average 10 and EMA 20 on day chart now in Feb 2020. And if we see the directional movements, then you can see it is showing that the directions are moving in favor of bulls now. This blue line is showing the bulls, and this orange line is showing the bears. So this one is the positive DI, and this one is the negative DI. Previously, we have seen that we have received a bear cross here in September 2019, and after that, the ADX is showing the power. Whatever, even the bulls are up and ADX are up, it means the ADX is showing the power of bulls, and if the bears are up, the negative DI is up, and the ADX is up, it means that it is showing the power of bears. So at that time, it was showing the power of bears because at that time we have received a bear cross and bear's line was up and ADX was up with the value of, let me show you what was the value. If I'll place the cursor, and you can see the value of directional movement in ADX here. So at that time, the value of ADX, this red one is the value of ADX, and that was 65. That is a very powerful value. And now we have received finally in January 2019, we have received a clear bull cross between these two lines. And now we can see that the direction has been changed in favor of bulls now. And since we have received the bull cross, after that we have the NPXS has surged more than 90% after this signal. So now you can see the bulls line is moving up and ADX is also moving up. It means that this time it is showing the power of bulls. This ADX is showing the power of bulls and it is turning more and more bullish. And if we see the Ichimoku cloud, which is very much important indicator, then we can see in my previous chart, and this was the article. And in this article, you can see on day chart, this is the day chart, the Ichimoku cloud was turning bullish. And now it is turned bullish up to 2-day chart. And you can see the lagging span of Ichimoku cloud has crossed up the candlestick. That is a very strong bullish signal. And we have also received a bull cross between conversion line and the baseline as well on this 2-day chart. If I'll make it disappear, I'll just disappear this price action, then you can clearly see the conversion line and baseline. The blue one is the conversion line, the bulls, and this brown or red one is the baseline, or it represents the bears. And you can see we have received a bull cross and the conversion line has crossed up this bears line or baseline. And if we see the chop zone now, at that time when I posted my previous video, the chop zone was weak bearish, and it was showing that the bear trend has been chopped. But now on this week chart, on the same week chart of NPXS or Pundi X, we can see it is turned bullish now. At that time it was weak bearish, and now it is turned bullish. And the final and the most powerful indicator or pattern which I have published in December 2019 was even I have been published this pattern since last year in every chart of Pundi X. Whenever I publish my long-term Pundi X charts, that it has formed a bullish butterfly pattern, a perfect bullish butterfly pattern. Let's see the directions. This is on the live chart, and this is the first initial X to A leg, and A to B leg is retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And for the perfect bullish butterfly pattern, we need that retracement of B leg between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And B to C leg is retraced up to 0.805 Fibonacci. And for the perfect bullish butterfly pattern, we need the retracement or projection of A to B leg between 382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. And the final leg should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and definitely the price action cannot move down more than 0 point or 0 price level. The price action just gave a spike up to penta 147 dollars or cents, you can see, you can say. And after that, it has formed a complete bullish butterfly pattern and now took the bullish divergence. And in few days, it has surged more than 90%. So as per this chart, if the NPXS moves from here up to here, so it has the capacity to give up to 600%. So far, it has surged 90%, but at this time, it has also the capacity to give more than 500%. So we can wait for the price action to enter in this area, and after that, we can think about sell. But nobody can say that the price action will stop in this area, or it will not fall back or drop down, or it will move more up and make new high. But in this area, we can place our sell orders, because this area, as per this pattern, this area is confirmed, because whenever the bullish butterfly pattern is formed, then after entering in the potential reversal zone, the price action should enter the A to D Fibonacci projection 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. Therefore, we can expect up to more than 500% profit from here. But that is my opinion and my idea. This is not an investment advice. You should do your own research, and you should also seek for any trading professional to seek a professional at trading or investment advice. Hope you have liked the video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential and beneficial trading ideas and educational videos on different assets and stuff. And if you like the video, then do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.